Day four. Day four. We're all packed up. It's all empty. I'm sad. I don't want to leave. Today's the last day.
But you know what? We have one full day left of memories and fun and craziness.
You're about to see our litness of the day.
It's gonna be really chill. Like
it will.
We really don't have any like faves. Right
nah, we just chilling.
chilling.
Got the Inu strapped. Indy has hers. We're chilling. More hammock chilling. It's pretty lit right now. Who is about to go on? Travis Parker Barker?
Sarah.
Somebody like that? So apparently this is Travis Barker. We didn't know he was from the drummer from Blink-182. So, makes sense.
Remember the name, the Struts.
I mean, cool. I kinda like it. It's funky.
I wanna taste love and pain. I wanna feel pride and shame. I don't wanna take my time. Don't wanna waste one line. I wanna live better days. Never look back and say it could have been me. It could have been me. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Good for the vlog. Everyone loves Mumford and Sons.
body.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
So I'm stepping on the dance. You made it tingle,